What's new in FloorPlan 2026? Home Design General Questions helps users quickly find answers to home design topics using AI. To get answers to general home design questions, first open the Copilot and select Home Design General Questions from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your question or text prompt, then click Submit. Within a few seconds, the Copilot analyzes your request and generates a detailed response based on your question. This AI-powered feature provides useful information about home design concepts, styles, materials, and best practices. Instead of searching through multiple websites, you can simply ask your question in natural language and receive a clear, well-structured answer directly within the application. Whether you need information about design styles, furniture selection, color palettes, lighting, space planning, or renovation ideas, the Copilot provides practical guidance tailored to your question. Overall, Home Design General Questions delivers fast, reliable, and informative responses, helping users explore ideas and make more confident home design decisions. Thanks for watching.